Hey guys, Chris with the Late Night Lockpicker, coming at you today with a US lock mortise cylinder that I got from Bobby Keyz in the recent lock trade we did. This one is pinned up by Den Brass. There's the bitting, labeled as easy. We'll see. I will be using a 50 thousandths pry bar that I bent. And I've got a mixture of hooks down here. I got a Sparrows. I'm not sure what one this was, but I bent the hell out of her. But I'm going to keep using it until she breaks. I might have been the Attila or... let's see if it'll focus here. No, you guys can see there, she's bent a bit. But we'll keep using her until she breaks. And guess I'm going to have to order some new ones. So straight to the back. Springy on one. Or 5 rather. A couple clicks. Yeah, I think she's just about ready to snap. There was a lot deeper hook on the end of that. A lot deeper curve, but she's pretty well toast now. Yeah, I don't think she's gonna work. Let's reset. Lots of clicking when I did that, so I had something overset and a lot of them were hit. Oh, that put me into a false set. Let's say spool. Counter rotation and drop something. We're into a deeper false set. Counter rotation on 1. Three is binding. I need a deeper hook. Let's go for the South Ord. I'm not sure what she is. Deep hook. I'm going to grab something here. I'm not afraid to bend. Let me rephrase that. I'm not already afraid to bend any of my picks. It's going to happen, but I already broke a Sparrows recently. Oh, open. There we go. I'm not sure what that was. I think it was 3 or 4. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm not really scared to break or bend any picks. It's bound to happen, but I've already broken a few this week, and I didn't really want to break any more today. It's getting kind of expensive. I need to place an order and get a few more picks to the ones that I broke. Broke a triple peak last week or 2 weeks ago. That one got caught on camera, and before that I broke a few off camera, and I broke one today. Guess that just comes with the territory. It is picked. I do have a key, so I will relock it. Where'd it go? Need a little Phillips bit. The actuator off. Here's the key. I don't know if I can get her in there. There we go. Just turn it. Seems kind of tight. See if we can get a shim in there. There we go, that's her. Alright. Plug follower. Oh, should turn that. There we go. Alright, we're out. Set that there. All key pins are in. Functioning. I see some threads already. Alright. Looks like a serrated spool on one. Serrated on two. Spool on three. 4 doesn't want to come out. There's 5. Let's see. There we go. Let's see what we got up top. Oh, there we go. Got a spool. And dump the springs too. Looks like we got a long copper. Oh, still got the shim in there. I'll pull that shim out. Maybe I shouldn't have cut my fingernails before I started this. I can't grab a hold of her. There we go. We just lost pin 2. She's still in there. We have a serrated T-pin. Copper spring. A little bit nerve-wracking. This is the first challenge lock I've picked of somebody else's on camera. We have a serrated spool. Okay. Oh, these are key pins as well that you put up in the driver pins. That might explain the some of those false sets. And we'll go from the back side for this. Spool. Dump the spring. Try to. Another copper spring. And pin 4 is another spool T-pin. So that was my first challenge lock, picked by me, but by somebody else. Take a quick look at these. So this was the US lock by Den Brass, sent by Bobby Keyz. Thank you very much, Bobby. Get a quick look at those pins. If we'll focus. Stupid camera. Let's try and do it this way. Anyways, camera's not cooperating, but thanks for watching, and hopefully see you again soon. You can see over here on the side in the other race. The one I'm working on also is the cane by Pick Me 1977. So hopefully you guys will get that one up. I'll get it up soon and you'll get to see it. So let me know what you think, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.